Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Online Tutorials, the online educational channel. Today in our video we are going to discuss the traditional basis for pay, specifically the person-focused pay. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today in our session we are going to talk specifically about the person-focused pay system. So throughout this pay system, we will reward the employees for acquiring a certain level of knowledge or skills, rather than for demonstrating a certain job performance or successful job performance. So here we will focus on the level of knowledge and skills. And we should take into consideration the competency-based pay, referring to two types of person-focused pay program. The first one, the pay for knowledge. We will reward all the managerial service professional workers for successful learning curricula. They will try to attend courses. They will try to follow several methods in order to increase their level of knowledge. The second one is the skill-based pay, where the employees are trying to increase their skills level to be highly skilled in order to accomplish physical works, to increase their pays, and as much as they will master new skills, as much as their pay will be increasing. As we know that the HR professionals, they are trying to design the person-focused pay plans, not for all the jobs. Maybe certain jobs you cannot apply the person-focused pay plans because in these jobs maybe you don't focus much on the level of knowledge and skills. But the employees in the person-focused, they will be earning rewards and incentives for working more on developing their level of skills and on earning more knowledge. So as much as they earn more knowledge and skills, as much as the rewards will be higher. Here we can distinguish between horizontal and vertical skills. So the horizontal skills, we will try to have the similar skills or knowledge for employees. Like for example, here we are taking, like, suppose in a retail store, the employees, they will be trained to perform several kinds of record keeping tasks. So here you will try to increase the level of skills and knowledge by taking into consideration that you are doing this for all the employees and this and similar functions. Whereas the difference than the horizontal one is the vertical one. So here you are moving vertically. So you are going just to give skills to supervisors, to managers, maybe such as scheduling, coordinating, leading, training. And we do have also the depth of skills or knowledge, referring to the level of specialization or the level of experience an employee may bring to a particular job. Like suppose you are hiring a new employee coming from another competitor place. So once we will hire this person, he may bring with him like a certain level of specialization and experience to my job. So here we will refer to this as depth of skills or knowledge. So here in this slide we can say, like, we can move horizontally, we can move vertically. Horizontally, same people within the same functions, we are giving them with the necessary skills and knowledge. Then when we move vertically, that means you are moving from the employees level to the supervisor, to the supervisor's level, to the manager's level, to the top manager's level. So up on each position you may require additional level of skills and knowledge in order to be able to conduct your job in a professional way. And finally, we took also the depth of skills and knowledge. The competency, the HR professionals refers to the competencies as like the combinations of characteristics that may be within the person, including like having a strong personality, good attitudes, high level of knowledge, skilled person, outstanding behaviors, pushing and enabling the employee to accomplish the job requirements in a successful way. Here, in the competency-based pay programs, this may almost be applied to technical, managerial, service professionals, employees, for whom it's very difficult to define job performance according to observable behavior. The usage of person-focused pay programs. Most of the companies may use it depending on their sizes. So here we can see like half of the companies known to be using this kind of pay system. They employ between like 150 and 2,000 employees, because it's very important for them to apply and implement such pay program, specifically because some jobs may rely on the skills and the knowledge. So adopting this kind of pay programs may enhance the work itself, may push the people and the employees to be more educated, to increase their level of knowledge, to increase their skills in order to earn a good reward. What are the reasons to adopt a person-focused pay program? The most important two reasons are the technological innovation. As much as you will try to increase your level of skills and the level of knowledge through like attending seminars, workshops, on-the-job training, maybe taking additional courses specialized in the domain, maybe if you are working on customer service, or you're working on in the HR department, maybe on training, interviewing. So you will take additional courses that may push you to increase your level of knowledge, your experience, and then you will attend seminars, conferences, you will conduct certain training sessions, so in order to increase your skills. So here you will be more able to work on yourself, especially that if the level of technology is continuing to grow up, then you will not have any problem, because you will fit any technological advances, as long as you are still working on yourself, as long as you are still developing yourself. Okay, so it is very good. And the second one, in order for us to move from one country to the other, so we should stay in competition with the external environment. So we should have the minimum standard in order to compete with the international corporations. And in order to do so, we should have a certain level of skills and knowledge. So in this way, technologically, we will be doing good. We will try to innovate as much as we can, and this may help us to increase the global competition. The job-based pay. Here we will reward the employees for jobs they are currently performing. So here the employees, based on what do they perform, they will be earning base pay rates and additional rewards. Here it will not be applied in all the jobs, because maybe certain jobs are not focusing and relying on skills and knowledge. Maybe they need to rely on job performance, maybe they need to rely on the length of service, maybe they need to rely on the accomplishment of certain predetermined work objective. So this may only be applied on the work that may need and that can be assessed based on skills and knowledge. What are the advantages of person-focused pay programs? So here we do have like two advantages, two kind of advantages, one for the employees and another one for the employers. So for the employees, first of all, it push them to increase their job enrichment. They provide the employees with job enrichment. So they can be more motivated, they can work with a more interesting and positive work environment. They will be very motivated to perform their jobs, especially when they are going to increase their level of skills. Suppose you are in any company and they are going to develop your capabilities, they are going to develop your skills. Who's going to be sad? All of us are going to be happy because they are interested, they are like caring about us, about increasing our level of skills and knowledge. So first advantage, all the employees will have like a job enrichment, will be like increasing their level of skills and knowledge, which may push them to be like more motivated and happy in the work, so they will be performing better. Second, providing the employees with job security, because in case they are going to close some positions, they are going to open new positions, they are going maybe to minimize the number of workforce or of employees within the company due to a recession, they are going to lay off. So here you will have the ability to work in more than one position. So you will be able to perform a variety of jobs, and then here they provide you with job security. They are creating like more flexible workers. You will have the flexibility to work in more than one position and variety of jobs. The advantages to employers, when you increase the level of skills and knowledge to your employees or of your employees, here they will be more motivated. So they will be performing better. This may enhance and improve the job performance of the organization. This may affect positively on the quantity and the quality of work. This may increase the productivity level, because when you are happy, when you are motivated, when you are performing good, that means you are assisting and serving the customer in a professional way. You are delivering a high quality of product, you are producing more, you have a good efforts, and you are putting all your efforts in the work. So increasing the sales revenue may push the productivity level to increase also. And here the company will have a very good flexibility in meeting the staffing demands, which may affect positively on the image and reputation of the organization. What are the disadvantages of person-focused pay program? Um, First, we can mention like the cost. It costs too much, because if you are going to increase the labor hours, the cost of the labor hours, it's going to cost you. If you are going to train your employees, it's going to cost you. And you may have like additional overhead costs if you are going to send people to be educated, more educated, or to maybe take additional courses in universities. You are going to pay, so you have a lot of expenses and costs, so it may cost you a lot. Second, suppose you have like two systems adopted within the same company, like suppose the incentive pay system and the person focused. So all the employees will not be interested anymore in acquiring more skills and knowledge when they are seeing that another employees are accomplishing a certain work objective and they are being rewarded. So they will move all to the incentive pay system. So here we cannot adopt like both person focused and base and incentive system at the same time. And the person focused pay program may depend on a well like a designed training program. So if you are not training your employees in a professional manner, they are not going to accomplish the goals in a professional way. So suppose you are going to train them, here you have the probability to have a successful training program or not. So here we are talking, if you are not having successful training program, is considered to be as a disadvantage. And finally, when the companies struggle or will be struggling and determining the monetary value of skills and knowledge sets, this will be considered also as a disadvantage. Thank you for watching my channel.